Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 8012553412 73730
Hagini kisngi uba polling do ula syakan thok bha hagaseng Voice of the People Party halor ka jingkren jung u hagabay day bat ka reservation policy lani ka roster system ka ba ula ong bagi pat bagi penjob ya ka UDP tang khat wengut bat kani ka pen i bakim kwa ya kata ka jingdawa jongki hagabay day bat kita ka jing syakan thok uba pol ula ong ba judan kata ka jingmut bania wanya bat u khamjit da ka ba ngapjar kumu nong mi khmat bat kumu menteri sarkar ula ong baulale bon ki kam na ka benta ka jella Henry kam day pat yo u ban Kiew halor Tnum jong ka Secretariat ban Pyrta Shnong ya ki kam ki baulale Shen ula ong bakan sadon ka jinge kren halor ka roster system tang shudap ka election ha soyong constituency.
Well, my mind is not as agitated as theirs, so I prefer to stay calm. I'm here to get things done as a legislator and as a member of the cabinet. I have done a lot of things for the state, but it doesn't mean that each time I do anything, I will go to the rooftop of the Secretariat and scream that this is what I have done. I think it's going to happen immediately post Soyong, because the political parties are actively involved in the campaign. But after the 13th of May, I'm sure that the process of calling the all-party meeting, calling the cabinet, all these will follow.